Are you in college?
No, I have completed. I'm 2025 pass out.
Okay. So first tell me, what is the difference between front-end developer and the back-end developer?
Okay, so front-end developer is responsible to make a user interface and like fetching the data from the backend and making visible it to the users. For example, if you have an e-commerce website, front-end developer have a role to create the complete UI from the help of UI design, which will be provided by the UI designers, UI and UX designers, and implementing those UIs to the code. This is the role of front-end developer, and a back-end developer is responsible to create the APIs and providing the data from database to the front end. So the front end user developer will fetch the data and implement it in front end.
Okay. So what are you thinking about the AI? Like nowadays we have lots of AI tool, lots of AI toolkit. So is there any effect for the front-end developer role? Because AI build lots of
Okay.
Hey, I am Ajit, and on this channel, I take interview of web development candidate to help other to prepare and grow. If you would like me to take your personal interview, feel free to fill out the form or email me directly. Link are in the description. Also, if you are interested in my personal web development note that I personally use and update weekly, you can buy or download them using the link below. In these notes, you will get 500 plus questions of full stack developer with proper explanation and very accurate answer, which will help you to crack any interview with 12-week proper front-end developer roadmap and company list. Also, I have attached DSA questions for front-end developer, how much DSA you will need if you are aiming for high package. These all things are in one single notes, and the best part is that I am updating these notes regularly, so you will always up to date.
This is
all.
interesting topic.
Yeah.
This is interesting topic, and actually, I want to say about it like AI is useful and it will help to a good coder, not to the any coder. If you know the basics, if you have strong basics like you have completed JavaScript and React.js and worked on it without using AI, and if you are a good coder, you know how to write and edit code. You can
Yeah.
understand a depth level of code. Then you can use AI in a better way to build the software, but you can't use directly AI to build a software, or you can't give a command to AI to build a software like a front end. Even a front end, AI is capable, but not capable to create a complete front end and
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
making front end. If what we can say reliable, scalable, AI can't do that. Like for example, loadings and what we say. Actually, I'm not reminding it. Like debouncing like concepts, throttling like concepts. AI can't do this.
Yeah. Yeah. Good point.
So anyway, front end developer will be needed, even though AI can exist.
Yeah, that's great. So in HTML, we have meta tag, right?
Yes.
Why we use meta tag? What the use of meta tag?
Well, okay. Well, we use meta tag for the search engine optimization. Like if we create a meta tag, for example, meta tag have an information about the our website or a page. So if we have an e-commerce website, we will create multiple pages and multiple sections. So to define their information or making user more fast to search a particular product or anything. If anything that user requires, meta tag helps our website to go to the user as soon as possible.
Okay. And in React, we have npm and npm x. What's the difference between them?
Okay. Well, I have seen this before 2 or 3 days. This is a basic concept like npm installs the versions like which are we need npm, we need node.js installed in our laptop
Okay.
to use npm, and npm installs this npm installs the versions of packages which are uh, uh, suitable to our app, and npx installs the packages which are the latest. Like we don't need node.js to install packages.
And how many types of hooks in React?
Well, there are many types of hooks like use state, use effect, and um, use state and use effect and use memo, use callback. I didn't use the use callback and use memo so much, but I know that. And use effect and use state, and like I'm not reminding right now because I didn't memorize the syntax
Okay.
until now. But
Okay.
I know I have good concepts clear about hooks.
Okay. So can you tell me the current version of the React?
Right now, React is I think 19.1 or 2, something else.
Okay. And the difference between use memo and use callback?
I didn't work so much on it, but I know use memo used to um, uh, memoization concept is there. Like if we are loading the same data multiple times, we can use memo
Yeah, yeah, okay.
to store the data and do not repeating it again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. And for the use callback?
I didn't not a single time. I didn't work on use callback, but I'm working on projects. But right now, until now, I didn't use it.
Okay, so see, use callback memorize the function. Okay, and the
Okay,
use memo memorize the calculation part. Like 2
okay,
plus
okay.
2, 4. 5 plus 5,
Thank you.
10. Like that.
Okay.
Okay. So why we use use effect? Use effect.
Okay, use effect handles the side effects in our app. For example, at the first render of our page, if you want to load the data, we can create a use effect hook and add a dependency array in it, empty array. So use effect will run first time on the rendering of the page. And like for example, we can even we update the data on the user interface. For example, from front end side, we can add the particular state name in the dependency array. So when the state changes, the UI will again re-render.
Do you know what is React router?
Yeah, I know React Router is used to creating route in our front end page. For example, routing purpose. If you want to go to the home page, we will add route. I will explain it from the start. To use React Router, we have to install the package React Router DOM, and after it, if you want to implement it, we have to first import the package React browser router, and inside it we will place a router component, and inside that router component we can create multiple routes to route to the different pages.
Okay. And what's the difference between props and state?
Props and states. Okay, well, props are the data which we provide from the component. Okay, which we provide as an attribute from the component by naming it. For example, if you want to provide a user's name, so we can create as a name attribute in the tag component inside the component as an attribute name tag, and provide a string or any value inside that tag attribute. And states are like we create the states when we want to update the data multiple times. For example, like counter app. It's a simple basic example. When we create a counter app, we know that counter increases or decreases. So at when we update the data multiple times, we use the states.
Have you ever worked on React application?
In my personal projects, I have worked so many times, but I didn't have any chance to work as official.
Okay, so if I ask you to build two component, one is parent, one is
Okay,
child. Okay, you need to
okay,
pass uh, data from parent to child. Like you need
okay,
to initialize one variable, name,
okay,
your name. Okay, after that you
okay.
need to pass that data from parent to child, and you need to
Yes.
you need to show or whether you want to console in child.
Okay.
You got it, my point.
Yes, yes. I have a. Oh, okay, I understand. But what is the question behind it?
Like you need to
How we
pass.
will do that?
Yeah, you need to do this. You
Okay.
okay, you just need to
Yes.
pass data from
Yes,
parent
yes.
to child.
I
And
will. I will answer. I will answer.
yeah, yeah.
We will use props for that. If we have a static data, like we are not updating it, we will use props. Like we will create a name variable inside the parent tag, and it will be passed as a attribute to the child component, and we can extract it as a props in the child component, and we will extract it by the props dot name in the child component.
See, I want you to write the code in a VS code.
Oh, okay, I will write. Wait, wait.
I think you didn't have React application, right? Yeah.
I
Okay.
I have I
Yeah,
have.
yeah. Okay, that's great. Just close it. Close it. Close it. Cross. 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 Yeah.
I thought you will be asked first JS questions, then we will shift to the React. That's why I have created two folders.
Yeah. Okay. But in interview, the question you think that it might be asked, it never happened.
Yes, yes.
Do you know what is prop drilling?
Yes, I know that. When we pass the data from multiple components like grandparent, parent, and child, we name this concept as a prop drilling.
So how can we avoid this?
By using use context hook as well React Redux toolkit.
Okay, and what is the difference between them?
Like use context is used to handle the complete context of our app, um, and it is useful but not on big level. Like in big applications it is not a good idea to use, but React and Redux toolkit is a well idea, because Redux toolkit have a few feature like creating slices. So we can create multiple slices like a card slice and user slice and dashboard slice, like many slices. We can divide data in multiple, like according to our requirements, we can divide the data into Redux toolkit.
Okay.
I know only this difference between those two. Here, the app component is a parent of child component.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Actually, why it's not importing child component right now? Okay. Okay. So now I will pass a name as a variable from the parent component
Okay.
as a name attribute. So here the name is printed.
Yeah.
Sorry, I have take too much time here.
Okay. So see here, why it printing two time?
Okay, I know that. It's because of a strict mode which is available here. So the React, it renders two times our components because of this strict mode. At a development, during development, it's good to use, but when you deploy the projects, we have to remove this strict mode.
Yeah, yeah. That's great. That's very great. So, what is strict mode? Why we use strict mode?
I have don't know much about it, but I have heard like it is used for multiple checkups of our the like re-renders. If we have too much of re-renders in our page, the strict mode helps us to find out where it is happening,
Okay.
like
And see,
multiple re-renders,
yeah. Have you ever work on API?
like full stack project backend.
No, no. Just call the API.
Yes, I have worked on it.
Yeah. So when we call API in React, okay,
Okay.
sometime that API hit twice.
Yes.
Why?
Yeah, I have seen this problem once, but okay, two times.
Just think.
No, sorry, I have no idea. I think it's because of strict mode, but
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have no
yeah,
idea.
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay,
okay. So you are correct. Okay, this is because the strict mode. Okay.
okay.
So what is the lifecycle method in React?
Okay, life cycle method. Like I didn't prepare for the theory, but I will reply in my. So sorry, I will answer in my way. Like
Okay,
in ReactJS, when we create a component
okay,
and when we render it, first our code will convert to the virtual DOM, and later on after that, it will be uh, converted to the real DOM elements, like real DOM elements, and then our page will be rendered on our website.
okay.
And when you close the component, the code will be removed from the virtual DOM as well as real DOM, and code will be with the updated. Like that's why the React is called as a single page application. We didn't need any refresh like anything to update the data.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's great. So like we have virtual DOM in React, right?
Yes,
And we already have the real DOM. Okay, so
yes.
why we need virtual DOM? If we have already real DOM, we just need to compare real DOM to real DOM. Why we are comparing from real DOM to virtual DOM?
Okay, I think it's a vast concept because in the virtual DOM, like when we update the states, when we update the like sorry when we develop a website through the JavaScript, for example, if we use like sorry if we update the data from the real DOM elements, it will update okay, it will update on the spot it will update the components on the spot, but in virtual DOM it checks for if there is any problem or not in the updating, for example updating the data, and if it catches any error, it helps to avoid those error in virtual DOM.
Okay. Okay.
I have
So
not prepared that, but I have clear all ideas. I have cleared about virtual DOM and real DOM, but I didn't prepare for the theory part.
okay, okay, no problem. Do one thing in line number 9. Type create one
Okay,
button.
in line number 9.
Yeah, create one button inside after n in first tag after n type on click.
Okay, I know, on click.
On click inside on click right handle click. Okay, just copy this line and paste it in line number 10.
Okay,
Line number 9, copy and paste it in line number 10. Yeah.
okay,
After on click, right, bracket.
okay,
Not the not this bracket. The normal bracket. Yeah.
okay,
Now tell me the what is different between them. Ah, yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. Wait. So, in the ninth line, the handle click function is called, like on the render when our page will be rendered on the real website, the 10th the handle click on the 10th line will be called, and that's why um, our website will not work. Like I can't explain it properly, but our website will be get to the infinite loop, and without waiting for on click, the in the 10th line the handle click function will be run, but in the ninth line the handle click function is only placed, like on click event only run the handle click function. So this is the difference between these two buttons.
Okay. Can you repeat again? I don't get you.
Okay, sorry. In the ninth line,
Okay.
the handle click is only written without the brackets, and on the click event on this button, only the handle click will be work, like run function. And in the 10th line, we have already called it with the brackets. So without waiting for the click event, the handle click function will run again and again, and our website will not work.
Do you know in line number 9 we have right handle click. That is also the
Yes,
function.
yes, these both are functions,
Yeah.
but in ninth line it is called. Sorry, in ninth line we didn't call it. It will be run if we click on the button. But in 10th line we already called it without clicking.
Okay. Do one thing. Just go on online.
Open JavaScript file.
JavaScript file.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Remove this code.
Okay. This
Okay.
index HTML or this?
Just hello. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I have removed
No,
it.
no problem. Just write console.log.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Yeah. Inside
Yes.
console.log, type
Plus
plus string 10.
string 10
After string 10, type plus 2.
plus 2.
Yeah. Tell me the output.
Okay. Okay. I will tell you the output. Here the output will be the, for example, first of all, this plus before the 10, string 10, this will convert the 10 to the number, and then this 10 will be added in the 2, and output will be the 12.
Okay. How? What's the concept here?
Be- Here the concept like the plus operator will convert this string to the number. This is the concept we call as type converting, and plus plus operator will convert it to the number.
Okay. That's great. Run the code and check your answer.
Okay, wait a minute. I will run first of all HTML line.
Okay.
Look, here is the output.
Yeah. That's great. In line number 3, type console.log.
Okay.
Inside console.log, type boolean,
Okay.
capital B. Yeah.
Sorry. Boolean
Boolean. Bracket,
bracket
square bracket.
square bracket.
Okay. After boolean, comma.
After boolean,
Uh, After the
like
bracket,
this.
bracket. After the end of, yeah.
Sorry.
This one, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Comma. Uh, Type again boolean,
Okay.
bracket. Inside bracket,
Okay.
curly bracket.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me the output.
Okay. This is something like okay. Okay.
I know.
This is something I did. I
See,
didn't see it yet. Never. Never.
from your giving
But
answer, I just know that you come here by practice, lot of practice. So I think,
lot of not okay, sir, wait a minute.
yeah.
Not with lot of practice. Actually, I'm working on JavaScript from like 1.5 year. No, no, I mean 2 years, I think. So that's why I have completed all clear. Like JavaScript concepts are too much clear with me. But this is something I have seen first time.
That's great, na? You need to learn
Yes,
new concept.
yes, yes. I will. Okay, I will try to solve it. So first we will boolean. It's a boolean, an empty array inside it. I think it will be empty array inside it, and they have said empty curly brackets, and this boolean function is trying to convert it to the boolean. So the square brackets will be converted to the, okay, I think the first one will be the true,
Okay.
and the second one will be the false, I think so.
Why the second one is false?
Like okay, okay, maybe the second one will be work as an object. Maybe it will be also true, but I'm not sure.
Okay. And why true
Can I run
for?
the code?
Wait. Why true?
um, Here uh, in the first function, it's an empty array. Even it is empty, I think it have its own address in the memory,
Okay.
and it's an object. It's an object, so it will be true. And I think the second one will be also true because it is also an object. So it will, yes, I think so.
So from your view, both are true, right?
Yes, I think both are true, maybe, or true or false, maybe.
Which one? Tell me the final answer.
Okay, both are true.
Okay. Run the code.
Okay, both are true.
Okay. Both are empty. Okay. That's right.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Uh, Write console.log,
Okay.
type of
Type of
space, type of
type of
space 10.
10.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the output will be type of type of object. I've, so it's really confusing, but I will try. I think the output will be um, I think here output will be undefined like something.
Why? How?
Um, because here in JavaScript, like the first type of which we have written, it will try to get the type of the second type of, and I think it will return like something object like something,
See,
and
see,
after
see,
that,
see.
okay,
We have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay.
yes,
We never plus all of them together.
yes,
We first
yes,
plus 2, then it become
yes,
4, then we plus 4
yes,
plus 2, then it will become
yes,
6.
yes, absolutely,
Okay. So try to that way.
okay. So here I want to ask one question,
Okay.
whether it is whether the it is okay, sorry, whether the flow comes from right side or left side.
From right side.
Okay, from right side.
Yeah.
So okay, it will be the type of 10. It will be integer, and then type of integer is also integer. Okay, maybe the output will be integer.
Why? See,
Because okay,
type
because
of type of 10. What will be type of 10?
type of 10 will be integer.
Integer, number, whatever. Okay. So
Number.
number. Okay. So
Yes,
after there will be become number, NUBER,
y-
number. That is string.
yes. Okay. Okay, I understand.
Got it?
And number eight, yes, it will. Sorry, it will give output of as a string.
Yeah. Run the code. Let me check also. Yeah.
Yes, it is string.
String.
So this was amazing question. Thank you for
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. Do one thing in line number 7. Write console.log.
Yes,
Uh, not
not
NAN.
okay.
Not
Na
not
Na2.
not not this one. Previous one. You just write previous one. Yeah,
Okay,
this one. Now type NAN. Not
NaN
yeah. Triple equal to
triple equal to
NAN.
NaN.
Okay. Plus
Okay, plus
not NAN.
not NaN.
Yeah. And in line number 8, type console.log
Okay,
number capital N
yes. Number
dot
dot
is NAN is NAN.
is NaN.
Yeah. Inside NAN type string hello.
Okay,
Yeah. Tell me
like
the
this.
output. Yeah.
In the seventh line, there is not NaN equals to NaN plus not NaN. Type of NaN is NaN, and
Where is the type of?
okay, wait a minute. Like in the seventh line, I'm finding out the solution for seventh line.
Okay.
I think in seventh line the output will be true.
Okay.
I'm predicting it because I have heard that NaN have no type like something.
Okay.
And in eighth line, number dot is nan.
See, in line number 8 and in line number 5, they are same way for the doing.
Okay,
Okay. So try
okay,
to
okay.
solve that way. Do you know why we use each NaN?
Yes, we use it to check either number is valid or not a number.
Okay. Okay.
In the eighth line, number dot is not is a nan. Wait, okay. In the ninth line, it will be the false. Sorry, eighth line, it will be the false. And in seventh line, it may be true, maybe.
Why it falls?
Number dot is nan.
Can you explain why it
Because
falls?
it's a string, and not a number is a not a number.
Okay.
Like it's, uh,
And we are
I think so.
we are checking also number dot. Why we use that number dot?
Okay. So if the, for example, like we add, okay, yes, when we add any number in the string, for example, like 5 plus hello,
Okay.
it will create string 5 hello.
Okay.
Okay, but when we create like something 5 minus hello, I think this one will uh, so this one will give output as a true number dot is nan. Am I right?
We will find out. Okay.
Okay.
So tell me the final output.
Okay, final output will be for the seventh line it is true, and for eighth line it is false.
Okay. So just remove it. Fine. Yeah. Run the code.
Okay, both are false.
Yeah. Do one thing. In line number 9, type console.log, type of NaN.
Type of, sorry,
Uh,
sorry,
yeah. Type of N.
nan.
Yeah.
Okay, type of nan is also nan. Am I right?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I have seen it. I think before 1 or 2 year. I think
Do you know
first
what
year,
is
1 year ago.
Do you know
Okay.
what is NaN?
NN stands for not a number.
Okay. Can you give one example when we get NaN?
I think we get NN when we try to subtract like string something from any number, or like multiply a number within a string,
Okay.
like this.
Okay. So according to you, line number 9 output will be NaN, right?
Yes.
Okay. Run the code.
Okay. I think it will be NN or object something like, or maybe null. But I think NN. I will go with NN.
Okay. Okay.
For the ninth line, it's a number.
Yeah. Because we are
Okay.
checking the number, so the type must be a number.
Okay. Okay. Well,
Okay.
thanks for this also.
Okay. So
And 10th and 11th line are, I think, right.
yeah. So do you know what is a map filter and reduce?
Yes, I know this for inbuilt functions, inbuilt methods for array.
Okay. Can you explain all of them by giving example?
Okay. First, I will create a simple array. So here we have array with 5 numbers, and first we will talk about map function. So map method helps us to map the elements of array, and it returns an array with the same length of the array which we have used with map function. For example, array.map. Here, output will be like this: um, one, 1 into 2, comma 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 3 into 6, 8. Like this, output will be like this.
Okay. So wait.
Okay, okay, yes.
What happen if I use reduce in place of map?
Okay, so reduce will not return any array. Reduce will return a single output.
Okay. So if I use reduce here, what will be the output?
Okay, if we use reduce here, right?
Yeah.
So the output will be, I think if we use reduce, we need to use two arguments like here.
No. Do not change anything. Just instead of map, we need to we are changing from map
Okay,
to reduce. Okay.
okay. Wait, I will, okay, reduce. I think the output will be, sorry, I have no idea.
Okay. So if we use filter here,
Yes,
filter.
yes.
Yeah. Now tell me what was the output.
So when we use filter, I think, yes. Hmm. Filter will return the same array. Filter, I think filter will return same array.
Same array. Which one? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not the below one.
Okay. Do you know what is find method?
Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Find method.
So write a code for the find. Like
Okay.
I need to find 3 from the array.
Okay. Here is the code.
Uh, Everything is visible in the console.
Yes, it is visible in console.
Yeah. So how can I ask a question? Do
Sorry,
one thing.
sorry.
Do one thing. Comment line number
Okay.
20.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. In line number 13, change the value. Okay.
Okay.
Do one thing. Write 1.5 in place
Okay.
of one. In place of one, write 1.5.
Yes.
Okay. After that, type minus 1.6.
Minus 1.6.
Yeah. And minus 2.
Minus 2.
2. Again 2.
2 again.
Yeah. Okay. 3.
Okay. 3.
In place of 4, 5. Right.
Yes.
Right. Right. 3.5. 3.5.
3.5, comma 3.5.
Yeah. Okay. I need to find 3.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want 3.5,
Okay.
this will be the code, and the find method will uh, get the first 3.5 to us
Okay.
in
And
the array.
okay. So in place of find, if I write filter here, what will happen?
Okay. Okay. In the place of find, if we use filter here,
Yeah.
filter will return an array of the two elements like 3.5 and 3.5, and output will be the 3.5, comma 3.5. This will be the output.
Okay. And change the value 3.5 from line number 19. From line number 19
O- Okay.
uh, to minus 1. Minus, yeah,
Minus.
minus 1. Now tell me the output.
Hmm. I think here will be the output of an empty array,
Why?
because in our 13th line, there is no any single element with -1 value. Here we have -1, but with the point value.
But we are using here filter, not find. So
Yes,
greater than -1.
greater than -1.
Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Run the code.
Okay,
Uh,
I will print out
yeah.
the find 3.
Yeah.
So it is the empty array.
Yeah. Yeah. That's great. Okay. So what is the difference between set timeout and set interval?
Okay, the set timeout is a JavaScript browser API which we use to run a code um, after some time, after break of some time, for example, 1 second, 1000 millisecond, or 2000 milliseconds. And set interval is like is also work like a set timeout, but it will repeat until we will clear the set interval ID.
Okay.
Set timeout runs only once, and set interval runs multiple times until we clear the ID of interval.
Okay. So write code for set interval.
Okay. Here, hello will be repeated multiple times until we clear the ID of set interval
Okay. Do one thing. Close this console.
completely.
Yeah. Just yeah. Okay. No problem.
Okay, what next?
Uh, uncomment the code in 926.
Okay,
Uncomment.
okay,
Okay. And okay. And write the code for set timeout.
okay,
Okay. Do one thing. In line number 26, write console.log a 25. Sorry, 25. Yeah. Write console.log a.
A,
Yeah. And in line number 27, write console.log b.
P,
Yeah. In line number 20, so in line number 30,
hmm.
write the code for the promise. Do you know what is a promise?
Yes, I know the promise, but actually, I didn't memorize syntax. That's why I think I will fumble during writing promise.
Okay, no problem. I have sent the syntax in your chat box. That copy from it there.
Okay, okay. Wait 1 minute.
Left one. Left one, yeah. Just minimize this. Just minimize this VS Code. Yeah, got it. Open
Chat
the chat.
box.
Right corner, right bottom corner.
Okay, okay. I found it.
Yeah. Go in line number 30, paste it.
Okay,
In line number 34, type console.log C. Sorry, D.
okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. Now tell me which one will print first.
Okay. So I will
Do
show you
one
the
thing.
complete output.
Do one thing.
Okay.
In set interval and in set timeout, you write
Yes.
100 millisecond, 1 second, right?
Yes.
Re-
Yes.
Remove that also from both of them.
Completely
Yeah, completely.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So here the output will be like this. Something I will show you. First, it will print A.
Okay.
Then set interval function will go to the callback queue,
Okay.
and it will print B. And then set timeout also will be go to the callback queue, and promise dot resolve will also go to the callback queue, and it will print D. Then the callback queue first gives the priority to the micro tasks like promise, async, await things. So next it will print C, and after that, callback queue gives the priority to the macro tasks. For example, set timeout and set interval. It will print like um, I think hello first, then hello set timeout second. Am I right?
Okay. Check your answer in console.
Okay, let's see.
You, you need to rerun it, I think.
Yes. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay. This is the output
Uh,
in the console.
yeah. Your hello
A
is
B
yeah is continuously
ABDC.
running. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Hello is continuously running.
Okay. So, do you know what is different between normal function and the arrow function?
Yes, I know the difference.
Okay, tell me.
So the normal function, um, for example, like function A, this is the normal function, and this is the arrow function. Here, the major difference I know between these two is the normal function will be hoisted first. When we initialize it, like when we create the normal function, it will take the memory inside the uh, global memory creation, and an arrow function will not be the hoisted.
Okay.
It will create the memory as a function during the code execution phase. Am I
Okay.
right?
Do you know what is this keyword?
Yes, I know this keyword, and it's a part of oops, right?
Yeah. Uh,
Classes, oops, objects.
yeah. And this keyword is available in arrow function or not?
No, arrow. This keyword doesn't work in arrow functions, but it works in normal functions.
So we can't use this function in this keyword in arrow function, right?
Yes, we can't use.
Okay. I have sent one question to you. Okay. Just copy from
Okay,
there. Okay. And tell
okay.
me what will be the output. Uh, do not open console.
Okay, okay, okay.
Do one thing. Do one thing. Just open network tab instead of console.
Network. Okay.
Network. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Now, carry on.
Okay. So what's the question here?
You need to tell me what will be the output.
Okay. So here we created an object as a user, name, address. Inside the address, there is a name, Delhi, get name. Okay. Get name is a normal function. So this keyword will work here. And if we try to get an output as user dot address dot get name. Okay. I think here this dot name will give an output as a Delhi. I think so. Am I right?
Okay. So in place of normal function in line note 51, if I use arrow
Okay.
function, what will happen?
Yes. I think it will give undefined. Am I right?
Yeah. I think
What was?
your arrow function syntax is wrong.
Yes, yes. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah.
This will give undefined. I think so.
Okay. Run the code. Sorry.
Okay.
Just go on console.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Not this one.
But
The
not
second
this
one.
one. No.
Yeah, this one. Open console.
This one is also a React console.
Okay.
I will check. Okay, wait. Okay, this one. Okay, wait. Why it's not working here? Um, 1 minute, please. Okay, so it's not printing. It's printing nothing,
Uh,
right? Not
no.
also not even not
Okay.
undefined.
Do one thing. Just copy this question and paste in any online JavaScript compiler.
Okay.
Yeah. Run the
Let's
code.
see.
Run the code.
Yes, it's giving undefined.
It undefined, and the previous one is Delhi. Okay.
Yes.
I have sent one more question. Okay.
Okay.
The last question. Okay. Tell me.
Okay.
Tell me the output.
Okay. So here is the object you as a user, and inside user there are two properties: name Ajit, get name as a function, console.log this dot name, and here user dot get name. We have saved the function inside fn. Okay.